For almost last 30 minutes or so, I was playing around with Remotion inside VsCode and Copilot, and I built something. Let me show you that.
43% of all cyber attacks target small businesses because traditional security isn't built for them. That's why we built SecurityPulse.ai, cybersecurity that deploys in minutes and runs it.
Anyway, so this is what I built, and in this video, I will show you how you can use Remotion, Claude models, VsCode, and you can build your own launch videos from prompts. And I have been messing with this for so long, and I finally figured out how to get this done. So let's get started. The stack that I'm using here is I have Visual Studio Code, and I have signed up for GitHub Copilot, and that is why here you can see all these models available to me for programming. For this particular one, I will be using Claude Open 4.6. On top of it, I also need to install Remotion. So it's simply go to Remotion.dev, copy this Remotion here, and hit enter. This time what I'll do is I'll start the SaaS template for video generation apps. So I'll choose this with arrows, hit enter, add agent skills, yes. Install to all detected agents, install all 31 agents, install, I would like to install globally, and it's recommended, proceed installation, yes. This is done. So now basically I can start prompting to build my next launch video. So this is done. For this example, I am going to be building a launch video for something I found on the internet. It's called Dev Compass. This is a very beautifully built web page, so I think I can leverage this as it is as my context to build a video for this. Now to make it simpler, on Remotion there is Prompt Showcase. From Prompt Showcase I found this video prompt useful, so I'll just pick this up. I'll just copy this prompt, paste it here, and then we'll go on and edit this prompt. And this one is for a demo video. In this case, we are building a launch video, and we want Claude to utilize the exact branding that we see on the web page. So I'll go here, create a launch video of what it's called, of Dev Compass is the Claude Architect. Is the Claude Architect exam. Okay, using Remotion. Use React components to replicate elements and replicate UI of the web page as closely as possible. And I'll say that and when needed. The app has a lot of features. We don't need this. I'll just say take guidance from the marketing home page, and here I will paste the link, Claude certification preparation for what to highlight while keeping language simple and to the point. Next it says really grill me with the questions to nail down exactly how the final video should look and feel, and what content to be. The ultimate goal of this is to create a viral launch video that would be showing what that was for. And for added context, I'll also say that use the copywriting and design elements from the website here. And let's hit enter. Now it will ask me a lot of questions. So now, as you can see, it is showing I have reviewed the marketing page, and then it has a lot of questions. So where will the video be posted? This is for aspect ratio. In our case, we are going to post it on Twitter. Let's hit next. Duration, I really want to keep it short, 30 seconds. Hook, product, and CTA. Next, what vibe should the video give off? So I'll use dev focused and raw. I'll just write it, match the website branding. Okay, great. Next, which of these from the site should get most screen time? So this is important. You can pick 3 and 4 input. Next is, what should the first 3 to 5 sentences say to stop the scroll? What should the final screen push people to reserve your free spot? And link, yeah, that is a great CTA. Next, should the video show actual screenshots? Recreate key UI sections on the website. Okay, this is great. I would say this one. Remotion supports audio. Do you want audio? No audio will add music in the post. Do you have a Dev Compass logo? That I'll provide assets separately. Include what you'll be able to ship, and then submit. Now this will give you the first version. Let's just wait. Okay, so now a lot of things have happened here. It took a few minutes, and now it is asking me to run a command, run Remotion Studio. The next command is build the preview, and this is how the localhost studio looks like. So if I tap on this, the video is coming up well. You might notice that there is no voiceover right now because we haven't given it the ElevenLabs voice ID. I have already given the API keys, so I just need to give voice ID and ask it. But overall, I think I love where it is going. It is not using, a few things are problematic here. It is not using the brand color that we had. So now in the next steps, I am giving it a bunch of updates to make. Number one, the accent color, secondary color should be this. I picked it up from the website. Instead of dark background, use the background very close to the one on website. Light yellow and grids. Use the logo in PNG format attached here. Use the logo of the campus. It is attached here as context. Voice ID from ElevenLabs. I have said if you need ElevenLabs API, ask me, and then tell me a good BPM. So at the end, we'll ask it what kind of beats per minute should we have for a background audio, and let's go with this prompt and see how it improves the video that we have made so far. Let's see how this goes. And the best part, whatever updates it does, you can actually see it live happening in the studio on your local host. Okay, so now after that last input, we have a lot of new things here. Let's see. So the background is now changed. Overall, this looks much better than the previous version, and this looks much closer to the website that we have. I have also given Claude the API keys for ElevenLabs. Okay, so to make sure that the logo is visible in the video, I have in the public folder, I made a new folder called logo, and in that folder I have put Dev Compass logo here. Similarly, there's a voiceover folder where whatever voiceover the AI generates using ElevenLabs API keys, it goes in this folder. You can, whatever assets you want your AI to use, you can simply put it in respective folders inside public, and you can simply ask it. So for now, what I'll do is it's called logo.png inside public logo. I'll say that use logo.png from this folder. I want to give a different voice ID because the voice that it has generated doesn't feel nice. And then lastly is use this music attached as context. So I need to upload music as well. Now if we go above, we asked it to give us a BPM. It has given 120 BPM. So what we can do with this is go into ElevenLabs and then say we want 120 BPM audios, which is basically beats per minute. You can also generate audios, but for now we'll just see if there's anything that fits. If I don't find anything, I'll just generate something and then use it. So I found a video. I found a music on ElevenLabs which I like. I'll simply go inside public and create a new folder here, which is, just name it music, and then move it here, Dev Compass public music, context, inside public music folder, and then different voice ID. I found
That shows us all the
I found one more voice that might go well. This is a tricky part because voice actually makes or breaks your videos, and currently the logo breaks in the brand reveal. And then lastly, I would say there's one more issue I noticed, is that this is not readable. So for that, we can say that use slightly double shade of the background. Let's go. Now it is fixing the voiceover. It is generating. It has to generate new voice and fix logos, so we can also verify in real time actually.
Ace the Claude Architect exam, a free hands-on prep course. You'll learn the mental model behind Claude, build agents that don't get stuck, wire tool calls you can trust, design multi-agent architectures, get 7 skills mapped to the exam spec, 4 hands-on projects, cohort 1, 200 spots, first come, first serve, it's free. Reserve your free spot now at devcompass.ai. The Claude hands-on prep.
This is a much better generation than what we started with. If I want, I can also take a few screenshots from the website and then add those screenshots in those folders in public and then ask it to use those. But this is the tutorial. You can use Remotion with Claude to build launch videos, build tutorials, build product walkthroughs and demos and much more. I'll come back with another video and teach you how to do a lot more things using AI. Thank you.